Hello everyone, it's Amy, and I thought that I would show you after the fair, and you also get a little peek at the art room. So after the fair, this is what your art room usually looks like, unless you're a really neat freak. You know, you get down to that last minute, and you got to get everything done, so your table winds up a mess. Then you come home with all your boxes, and they just get set around because you got to go to work the next day. And so I just thought that I would show you my mess. Hopefully I will be cleaning it up today. But this is what my table wound up looking like by the time I was done. And I actually did, because remember I showed you I had all the stuff set out here. So I kind of had this area clear because I couldn't put anything there because all of my trinkets were there. And so everything just got piled up a bit over here, and I did even clean it up a bit before I left. So, but there's a whole box of stuff that came from, well, the bottom blue box is empty. It has some clear containers in it. The stuff on top is stuff that came from going shopping at Salvation Army. There's the Temu bag that we already went through a long time ago that I still haven't finished unpacking because it needs to go where it belongs. But each of these boxes, they're marked, and everything really kind of does have a place until you fill up that place. So when you're collecting, remember, you have so much room. Try not to over collect. That's an easy thing to say, isn't it? I just thought I'd give you a really quick look at the rest of the art room, though. Those places are very organized. That's all Christmas stamps and all Christmas stuff. So there's a look out of our front yard. We had a tornado, wind, something like that come through the other day, so we had to have some trees taken down. And there we go. Back to looking at the mess. I ran out of so much room here that I had to put a card table at the end of the table. This is an 8-foot by 4-foot table. I should not have needed, maybe it's 8 foot by 3 foot, but I think it is 4. I shouldn't have needed an extra table, but I did because I had stuff piled so much. So then I had to put up the card table to put the sewing machine on. There's a lot of my junk journal supplies in the closet. And my favorite wall of my art room is my wood stamps. I'll show you what they look like. And I don't know what these are. These are something that were kind of L-shaped at the hardware store at Menards. And so I bought them and cut them to fit on the wall and screwed them to my wall. And they work really well because they're super heavy. And so there are some of my wood stamps. Those are my bigger ones so that I could kind of display them. I love wood stamps because I love looking at them. I do have folders full of clear stamps, but I tend to use them more if I can just see them. So I like the wood stamps better. And I just like the way they look. And then I had moved my sewing machine from here, so look, there's kind of a blank spot right there. And then you've got your tables and tents and more totes and displays. There's a little bit more in my art room. That is my pottery studio over there, which I haven't done pottery in I can't tell you how many years. I love pottery. It is my dream craft, but I just haven't done it since my mom got sick and haven't got started again. So there we go. There's a little tiny look at my art room and a look at what kind of a mess you can make when you're getting ready, and then definitely what kind of a mess you wind up with when you come home. And it will probably take me all day just to clean up the mess. And that's not cleaning the art room because the art room is very dusty. But I'll get to that someday. Thank you very much for stopping by. I just thought I would show you. If you wind up with tables that are piled with stuff, you're not the only one. Even though when you see people filming and it's all nice and clear, yeah, that's because you're only looking at a little teeny tiny space on their table. But really, it usually probably looks like that corner right over there. So, but thank you very much for stopping by. Thank you to all of you who gave me good wishes for the fair. It went really well. Beautiful weather. We sold well. And it was just really a really nice time to spend the weekend with my niece and with my sister and her husband. And so lots of family and friends. So thanks again for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. I will try and get back soon once I get that mess cleaned up and try and start doing a video here and there on the weekends to do some crafty things. So thank you very much again for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.